How to fix Facebook professional mode not show. First, tap on your Facebook app on your device. After then, click on App Info. When you click App Info, find International Stores. Tap on here. After then, clear data. Click here. Confirm. Press OK. Delete. Top right, you find force stop. Tap on here. Confirm. OK. Minimize and back. Open your Play Store. After then, top right search bar, search this option Facebook. Search, and if you need update, confirm update and install. After then, tap on three dot line. After then, you confirm and tap your profile icon. When you tap profile icon, you find this option three dot line. Click on three dot line option. After then, you find professional mode. Back your home screen and switch your main profile or Facebook account. Tap on your account and switch. When you switch, you also see top right corner three dot line. Tap on here. After then, tap on your profile icon and scroll down, find three dot line. Tap on here and you will be find turn off professional mode or turn off professional mode. Okay, and confirm. Thanks for watching this video.